guys.
It's Livy, Sue's Olivia, and on your Wednesday on Climbing in the Stars. Okay, so the theme for this week was to do your video in public. Well, bit of a problem with that. I have no time. I have swimming, project, this, that, school, la la la, sports. So,
I just been a green screen.
1, 2, 3. Collabing in the stars. Okay, yeah, it's so random. Sorry I look like crap. I just got out of swim team and in my PJs. Duh. Okay, so I have my 3 truths to 1 lie. And I just want to set this straight to make it more fair. My friends cannot play, so people who know me in real life cannot play. Number 1, I have no siblings. Number 2, I have no girl cousins. Number 3, I have never broken a bone. And number 4, I have 3 cats and 1 dog. Okay.
That's an awesome dad. Got that.
If I put that in, that would have been a lie. Love you, Daddy. You in particular, you read literature.
Goodbye.
Bye, Daddy. Oh, I just sat on a cat.